It's time to offer your clients the security training solution that leads the stampede against phishing. BullPhish ID. Charge into training right away with plug-and-play phishing simulation kits, video lessons, and quizzes in 8 languages. Keep up the momentum with new training content added monthly, or create your own with customization options that make it simple to simulate the real risks that your customers' employees face every day. Deliver it all through a user-friendly personalized training portal that makes training painless for everyone. And keep your brand front and center when you white-label the training experience, including custom URLs. Plus, show decision-makers the value of phishing resistance training with BullPhish ID, using clear reports that show what their employees fell for, how they improved, and who needs more help. Grow your security awareness training business, boost your MRR fast, and ensure that your clients' employees are ready to stamp out phishing threats with BullPhish ID. Book a demo today or learn more at idagent.com.